Hadin ki kendiat tayo belalet ki kenhun seng bhalang bapher ki badon harilom khasi jantia ki lakhenra trading license but work permit ki barjala ki bawantre bela shagajala megalaya bat lalap de ki phongot ki barjala kimdan ye ka work permit bat ki kot kisla ki babyang Nakaliang ki pratali ki kenhun seng bhalang ha ka arpusau terik unai tung arajar arpusau kila lum jingyalang kentup ka Federation of Khasi Jantian Garu People FKJGP Khasi Students Union KSU Nyautrap National Youth Front HNYF Jantia Students Union JSU Garo Students Union GSU Ribhoy Youth Federation RBYF ADE AYWO but FAF Habakran cikilak pathai khubor hadin ke jingelang kinoyalam seng bahalang kila therting ek sorkar halor ki anya da mender bakayele bandarap job bat persyang buri kinoyalam kila penpau ke jing penrem ke sorkar jela halor ke inna line permit bat ke jing bom pentre kam ya ke MRSSA arajar khanriu ya ka bau menteri rangba ukonrat ki sangma uloong baladek pentre kam Kila penpau balada ke sorkar ke duna briu nenong tre ban khanglat ki barjela kin ai ke ketika mon ke ketika diang ban kersyan ya ka. Kini ki pratali ki kenhun seng bahalang ki ong bekinang beteng ya ke jingkan ra work permit but trading license ki barjela amtang hari lom khasi jantia Indonesia Garo Hills Ru.
Te hani kan tu exit point lakran syai bi ba lada kontrak u ba wan belas ni undun kam yang work permit ria ka entry exit point ong ba shwa bu undung hang ni hawan report apa entry exit point ban shim ka permission bu undung sini ka jela joni bu shim ban produce dokumen bu undung sini ka jela joni ria menta kat ba kat shim sa bu undun kam work permit kamu la challenge tu pa ya ka MRSS iru ya ka tu ka existing law bani ka interstate migrant workers act tu la challenge pa ya tu te kalong ke bang yumla ban priang but hagaju ko por ka entry exit point ong ba ki tores su indawan sini ki haban da verify bagi wan kum ki tores te ya kata lo bishim orlang te lain au pun ban ba hadu menta umlah pentri kam ya ka emergency nomor ba kadang dona ka pedang kidang pa amen hari ka posisi kalong ba ya ka principal act tang si singi umpat pentri kam lari shetri no hataka amendment
working hard to pressurize the government to implement ILP. But during that time, after a year of pursuing aggressively the goals of achieving ILP, the government of Meghalaya, they asked us to give us some alternative to how to tackle the problem of influx in Meghalaya instead of pursuing ILP. At that time, we thought the government was sincere, and the 13 NGOs drafted the act, which is now known as the MRSSA. But now the government is hiding behind the one excuse that it has been sent for amendment. But the government is time and again saying that, and now we are feeling that it has been almost 10 years. So now we are feeling that the government is not sincere in its approach to curb out illegal influx. So today we have a meeting here in Shillong Molai in the office of FKJGP, and together the 13 NGOs, we from Garo Hills, we are representing 5 NGOs, that is FKJGP, GSU, FAF, ADE and AYWO, and we have resolved that no more, we will not keep silent in this issue anymore, and we will start pressurizing the government to implement the MRSSA in letter and spirit. They cannot hide behind the excuse that it is due for amendment, but they should stop the amendment process and they should start implementing the MRSSA.
Kajing ya terba kajing ya tai kajing entah kesni kalau ba halor ki jing dawa ki pelasa tem buat ke sarkar. Pensupan kemau ke MRC kelade ke an ngadu arjar khandriu. Kajing mi kena MRC ru di ke tu ke pol ke sarkar ong ba ke ILP di ke subjek jong ke sarkar India bat lami lah kha bat ikne ke MRC bat kelade ru ka ti hendai ke basusi kelong bat hadu kene khidmat meminta ngaduk arja khandriu hendai ya kaniru i bidang set sunduk sa kiniat sengi liang menteri rangba ong ba MRC la pentri kam hendai kalong ke ik basusi awagi persang menti biniak sengoba kata kalong tang kejengkeren lambar kilap pat hai kubor rega kam sebelah poi kum kalong ipan kan mau sarkar ya kata resolution baka sokar klasim halor ka ILP hak khat khandai terek cobunan upra com ajar khandai ngimla bantep dak clean menteri ba sekar jela orang haban ya keren bak sekaran dia dawan menteri kampo yang sekar di jela kan kusin kendu terus kentin keren dak keli biang sekar jela ka sukut ta ketin nak examen tinga tharai kenang examen ngam tep kilej bak dawai nang nanu kata ngimla bantep menrai na kaliang jungi kisang balang ngin sayarap ang pentrikam ni anta bangi checking keleng jok nika celah berkoi